we have CERS. We're looking at this company today because they're on the new emergency meeting to decide if Ebola outbreaks continues, and they're gonna have international emergency meetings that will start tomorrow. Depending on whatever news they come out with, the market might react in a positive or negative way. But one of the things that I like is that we had a Bollinger Band crossover around here with very nice level of support over the 100 and the 50. If you look at here, it had a nice pop and a consolidation. We were able to claim here the 50 period moving average with another Bollinger Band crossover here for another pop. And right now we are trading at the exact area of support around $4.49, which is 1 cent from the 450 half dollar area. Very important areas of support and resistance are the half dollar and the whole dollar. So we're trading very close to this area of support again today, and we had a little bit of decreasing volume today. The reason why I'm looking at this stock today is because of two things. One, because it was able to reclaim the support here today. We're trading there, and we can see it didn't break down the support area. This is the second time it tapped today. From the last couple of months, it didn't break down the support. It was able to hold the support. And the second reason is because it came out on the news. Although it has a little bit of decreasing volume, I'm going to be paying attention to it because it was able to hold the support, and whichever news this company come out with after they hold their meetings, if the market reacts in a positive way, then we will see this thing have a positive impact on the price of the stock, and we could be able to see this thing roll over to the upside in a bullish way.